Hey guys, it's time for arithmetic. I hope you were able to warm up with the Go Noodle video, skip count to 100, because that's really going to help us as we move forward in arithmetic. Now, for arithmetic today, we are going over borrowing from thousands place. We've already learned borrowing from the tens place, borrowing from the hundreds place, and borrowing both of them together. Now we're going to borrow from the thousands place. Only the thousands place. You don't have to worry about borrowing from the other ones at all today. Only borrowing from the thousands place. Now, it's the same idea as before. We're always going to go next door when we don't have enough on top. So, first things first, I take my highlighter and I'm going to draw my lines between my place values because I want to keep all my place values together. Because I only put one number down below for each column. So I draw my lines and I circle my sign. I want to circle my sign because I need to remember I'm doing subtraction. I don't want to get confused partway through my problem. I want to remember which kind of problem I'm doing through the whole problem. So I always start in the ones place over here on the right. Always, always, always start in the ones. Never on the left in the thousands place. Always start in the ones place. I tell myself 7 minus 6. Can I do that? Yes, I can because 7 is bigger than 6. So 7 minus 6 is 1. Then I go to the tens place and I have 2 minus 1. Can I do that? Yes, I can because 2 is bigger than 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Then I go over here and I have in the hundreds place, I have 4 minus 5. Can I do that? Yes or no? No, I can't because 5 is bigger and I can't do subtraction when the number is bigger on the bottom. So that means I have to go next door to the thousands place, to borrow. So first thing I'm going to do is cross out the number that's there because I'm making a new number and I don't want to confuse myself. So I'm going to do one number less than this to help bring some over here. One number less than 3 is 2, and that's going to help me bring 10 more next door. So 10 plus whatever already here, I'm going to cross this out. 10 plus 4 is 14. Now I have a number that is bigger than 5. 14 minus 5, can I do that? Yes, I can. 14 minus 5 is 9. Then I can go over to the thousands place. 2 minus 1, can I do that? Yes, because 2 is still bigger than 1. I'm going to ignore the number I already crossed out. That's not a part of it. My new number is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 3,427 minus 1,516 is 1,911. Let's do one more for extra practice. I always start with my highlighter to make sure that all of my columns stay together, my ones stay together, my tens stay together, my hundreds stay together, and my thousands stay together. And I circle my sign because I want to continue making sure that I do the right kind of problem. So I always start with the ones place. Always start here. Very important. 6 minus 2, can I do that? Yes, because 6 is bigger than 2, so 6 minus 2 is 4. The next is the tens column, and I have 7 minus 5. Can I do that? Yes, because 7 is bigger than 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. And then over here I have, in the hundreds place, I have 1 minus 8. Can I do that? No, I can't because 8 is bigger and it's on the bottom. So that means I have to go next door and borrow. So I'm going to cross out the number that's in the thousands place. 7, I'm going to make it 1 less. So 1 less than 7 is 6. My new number up here is 6. I don't need to pay attention to the 7 anymore. And that changes my number right here in the hundreds place up more by 10. So 10 plus whatever number's already here. So 10 plus 1 is 11. My new number is 11. 11 is bigger than 8. Yes. So now I can do 11 minus 8 is 3. And then in the thousands place, I'm ignoring the 7. I crossed it out. My new number is 6. 6 minus 4, can I do that? Yes, because 6 is still bigger than 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So my problem was 7,176 minus 4,852, and my answer is 2,324. I hope that was helpful. We're just taking our borrowing one step further. Remember, borrowing is only in subtraction. And remember to cross out your numbers and write the new numbers in the boxes on top. That will really help you make sure you keep your things organized. And then using your highlighter is a really good tool as well. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.